Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. This video has been sponsored by BougeRV. We've worked with them before, great company, a lot of various camping items that you would love. They sent us just recently their new portable single serve coffee maker. It takes K-cups or grounds, battery powered, you charge it up, really nice and portable, lightweight. Take a look. Comes in an awesome case, traveling. It's got some nice instructions, a little scoop with a brush, and recharging cable. Similar to other brands that are like this. Plugs in to charge, 18 watts. There's the top where you put the hot water. Now it'll heat the water or you can put hot water. I'll tell you from experience, putting hot water is quicker on these. It's got a little cup if you want to use it. Unlock. This is where the grounds and stuff go, or if you're going to use the capsule. It's got a nice thin steel strainer. Really cool, portable, well-made, heavy duty. Also, which we've been using, comes really in handy right now. It's getting warmer, summer's here, bugs are out like crazy. Little mini camping fan. I love this thing. It's got a hook if you want to hang it upside down. Tilts. Power on. Fan's pretty strong. It's got 3 levels. And you're not going to be able to see it right now, but there is a LED. I don't know if you can see it. Tells you what the stated charge is. We're at 77%. And 3 different levels of wind. Tells you that. We have a light, which I'll put clips in here of the light. It's really nice. I had the light on last night and last week without the fan running. It's just a nice orange glow. It has got a sleep timer, or well, a run timer, so you can set it for an hour, 8 hours, no hours, and it'll shut itself off. So really handy. It has the plugs to charge it in back here. 2000 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt, 74 watt hour fan, and light. And then it has a master off switch. We really love this thing. It is going to be very handy. It already was last week. We had bugs swarming us everywhere, and I had that sitting on the table, keeping the bugs off of me and the sweat. And the third product is an awesome telescoping camp light. This thing I love. You're gonna see this, especially as we get back to fall when it's dark earlier. Ultra portable. I'll show you right now. I'm gonna put it back down. Folds up like that. It's got the legs attached, which lock into place. And they go down easily if they don't have sand in them. Very nice. Got a little metal hook that you can put out and hang it. Also has a 1/4 screw thread, so you can put it on a tripod. 3 buttons on top. We'll show you that in 1 second. So there's the charge port, USB. So the legs you just pull out, lock, if you don't have sand in them. So it locks into place. You can use it like that. This, you gotta kind of give it a little bit of a tug. And so you can actually turn the lights on with it like that, and it kind of gives a little honeycomb, very dim light. So you pull it out, you can have it as tall as you want. I'm thinking, I don't have the exact specs. These flip up and rotate. It's about 5 feet tall. Tilts, aim the light however you want. Love this light, really neat. Power button, so you can have, I'll put this so you can see. So we have 1 light on, 2, 3, adjustable. Then got orange, red, and white. And it has a, oh, you can dim it. 3 levels of brightness. It also has an SOS feature. So if you're stranded on the beach and you're trying to signal the airplane to rescue you, put this sucker up and maybe they'll find you. Don't know. I love it. We're gonna use it probably on every trip. It's just super portable, and we charge this up. We've been out on the road now for 5-6 days, and it still has quite a bit of juice left in it. Now it is summer and it's daylight till almost 10:30 up here in the Upper Peninsula, so it's not running as long as you might think or need, but another well-built, solid product from Bouge. They've got, I believe, the light and fan are as a combo adventure pack, so you can buy two and get a deal. Heavy duty. What I also discovered is the case for your coffee maker also will hold your light. So these are like products, especially the light and the coffee maker. We can go canoe camping, backpacking, not ultralight backpacking, they're a little heavy. Canoe camping or winter sledding in. Even the fan if you really wanted to. All nice and portable. So we are going to make a special cup of coffee right now. So let's go over to the star of the show.
Okay, so on the beach, we've been packing up. I am gonna make us a cup of some iced special espresso. Blinks, heating progress.
Oh, look at that sucker, man.
So there you go. An Oreo iced espresso coffee.
At the beach.
At the beach. Perfect.
So there you have it, guys. 3 awesome new products from BougeRV. Bougie works.
It's pretty bougie today because we're having.
Can you, like, does life get any better than this? We're sitting on the side of Lake Superior, one of the most beautiful freshwater lakes in the world. Absolutely amazing views. It is Memorial Day. Thank you to all those who gave the ultimate sacrifice. Wow. Talk about life is good. Glamping. We got our Oreo latte, which I haven't even tasted yet.
I gotta stir up my Oreos on there. I think I'm gonna go for another shot of espresso.
Oh wow, that's
on there.
amazing. Oh. Anyway, you guys, check out the links below. I'm gonna tell you right now, killer deals, the fan, the light, and the coffee maker.
You're gonna get a lot of use out of that.
Yes, you're gonna see these in the future. It's a great brand. They've got refrigerators, they've got portable air conditioners. As you know, we ran their diesel heater most of the winter. It's been amazing. So great company to partner with. Great company to buy products from. So we'll give you links below. If you got any questions about anything, let us know. Just let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, follow, all that jazz. Hype it up. Check out BougeRV. Thanks, BougeRV.
Thanks, BougeRV.
It's going to make life really good this summer. This will probably be my personal favorite because I'm just blasting those bugs off.
No, I'm okay with.
She's gonna have 100 lattes this summer, and the light's gonna be ultra fancy, amazing for the fall and the darker, earlier days.